You are welcome to our class today. In today's class, I'm going to teach you Mgbochiume Igbo. Mgbochiume Igbo. What are these Mgbochiume Igbo? It simply means the consonants of Igbo language. Mgbochiume are those letters, those alphabets that when you try to produce them, there is always an obstruction of air at the vocal cord. There is always a blockage of air. You don't produce them easily because there are blockage of air. That's why they call them mgbochi ume. Mgbochi ume, blocking. Mgbochi is blocking. Air is ume is air in Igbo language or air. So these letters, the consonants now, are divided into two. They are divided into the Mgbochiumenge. Mgbochiumenge are the single consonants, while Mgbochiume mpe are the digraphs. Now, let's look at them one after the other. We'll start with Mgbochiume mpe. Mgbochiume mpe. When you hear mpe in Igbo, just know that they are talking about twins, something that came together. Two things that came together. That is mpe. You can hear Akim gbara mpe. Akim gbara mpe. My palm kernel has two C's inside. That's what it means. Akim gbara mpe. Now, Mgbochiume mpe are those letters that are two, those consonants, those alphabets that are two. They have two letters forming one sound. They are the Mgbochiume mpe. When you look at them, they are just 9 in number, and they include chi, gwe, re, gwe, pe, kwe, nwe, nye, and she. They are 9. 9 simply means itolu. If you don't call it itolu, you call it iteghete. Iteghete or itolu. When you want to make sentence with it, you can say Mgbochiume mpe dị iteghete or Mgbochiume mpe dị itolu, whichever way you choose to say it. Just know that 9 is iteghete or itolu. Now let's move straight to Mgbochiume nge. Mgbochiume nge are those consonants that are single, the single consonants. The single consonants, they are 19 in number. You can say Mgbochiume nge dị iri na iteghete. Iri na iteghete or iri na itoolu. 19 is iri na iteghete or iri na itoolu. Iri, 10 like this, na, and iteolu, which is 9, iri na iteghete or iri na itoolu. So let's look into the consonants that are Mgbochiume nge. They include b, d, f, g, re, ji, ke, le, mi, ni, nge, pe, re, se, ti, vi, wi, ye, ze. These are the single consonants, the Mgbochiume nge of Igbo language. In summary, the total number of consonants we have is 28. Iri abụọ na asatọ. Iri abụọ na asatọ. Iri abụọ na asatọ is 28. So the consonants of Igbo language are 28 in number. Then we divided them into the Mgbochiume nge na Mgbochiume mpe. So I said that Mgbochiume nge dị one? Iri na iteghete maọbụ iri na itoolu Mgbochi ume mkpe dị one? Yes, mgbochi ume mkpe dị itoolu. With this, we'll come to the end of this class, and in our next class, we are going to look into the myiri ụdaume. Please try as much as you can to join us in that video. You will definitely learn a lot. See you in my next class. Bye.